mastery is being so good at something that it emanates through you and in you. When you have something like that, that reeks of who you are and what you are, no one takes that from you. But there's a science to getting that and letting it grow as well. My philosophy is learn something to know. Know something to apply. Apply something to master. Master something to teach. When you're at the point where you can teach someone something that you know, that means you've mastered it because you've applied it, you know it because you've learned it. When you're able to do something like that, no matter what it is, the acumen of learning that and other things become that much more broad. And of course, that old saying, it is more blessed to give than receive. There's a reason for that, because there's a point of sowing knowledge and reaping more knowledge. Whenever you can do that, you'll have success and mastery, and nobody will be able to touch you on your journey.